I'm going to show you how to make chocolate buttercream without a mixer. You will need 200 grams of icing sugar, 90 grams of butter, cubed and at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and approximately 3 tablespoons of milk. To your icing sugar, add your butter, and with a fork you want to press down the butter into the icing sugar just to combine it a little bit. Then add your cocoa powder and give this a mix until well combined. And then continue to mash the butter into the buttercream as much as you possibly can do. And then once it's as combined as you can possibly get it, you then want to start adding in your milk a little bit at a time until it comes together as a buttercream. It is easier to add milk than take away milk, so add it a little bit at a time until you get the consistency you want. If you do add too much butter and it becomes too liquidy, just add more icing sugar to bring it back. And then once you have the consistency of buttercream that you want, there you have it. That is how you make chocolate buttercream without a mixer.